Hey guys.
Hey guys, how's it going?
We're still in Canada, as
Hello
you can
there.
see. Very far away, but still Canada flag.
If we are near a Canadian flag, it means where we are.
Yeah. You're right. Canada computers.
Canada computers again. Today
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the speakers. Let's see if they have it.
So I bought a graphic card, and apparently this is like a very far away Canada computers. Only they still have them in stock.
We're
Spoiler
already-
alert, it's a 5090.
I think we're already near Montreal.
Yeah, it's super far away. Right, let's go. Which ones do you want?
That's a great question.
Okay, things are getting more expensive now, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, this is the ones I have at home. Z207.
Yeah. Well, these have lightings, RGB.
Should I just do everything RGB?
Maybe.
How do you think they will sound though?
Doesn't
have
look
a-
so promising though.
But is that RGB or it's only?
It says RGB over there, no?
I think I want RGB the whole thing, you know,
You want?
like this RGB, no?
That's even more RGB.
Which one do you think it has more RGB?
Do you want them to sound better or have more RGB?
RGB, all for the looks. $7 cold.
Yeah.
What the hell? $9?
I mean, they make sound.
I think I should
But,
buy like a really crappy one, just to test them. No?
You don't lose anything with $10.
$10, and then if not, I'll go to the $11, and then if not, I go to the.
So these are like,
They only have one razor.
yeah, because Razer ones are like super expensive.
So, to find. Let's
This
take
one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's take the crappy ones.
Surprise, you see?
No, but this one doesn't have the ears.
Oh,
It's even RGB. This one.
you can buy both and modify them, put it here onto the.
Look at that one.
Oh yeah, that one.
Crack. Oh, it's razor.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Right. Hold it. Enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
All right, thank you.
We're all good.
So yeah, this is like, I think this is like heavier than some of the like whole computer. You know, like when I first had the 4090, I thought that was heavy. This is like, I think twice as heavy as that one. And
Install it.
yeah,
You'll be able
And,
to see Galen's computer.
yeah.
And me actually have to go to the washroom again in the store. So I'll
Okay.
be back.
Okay, we'll
Sorry.
be in the car then.
Yeah, yeah.
What the hell is he wearing? My God. Oh. Why? Why?
Hello,
Why?
guys.
Why?
What do you think about my new headphones?
Why?
I had to get them. It was yes or yes.
And now I don't want to know this guy, you know? Yeah, if you like more of these, show it up in the video and leave a comment below.
If this video gets 500 likes, Galen is getting the same.
Oh, hell no, hell no. Right, so we just came out from Canada Computers.
I lost my ears already.
Today we're at Montana BBQ Bar.
Today we continue with the series of finding the best ribs
So
in town. If you ever were in Toronto, like 1 year ago, like every YouTube video, every YouTube ad, it was always Montana.
Really?
Always. All the time.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Okay guys, so finally we are sitting after waiting like 15 minutes to get seated. To be honest, it looks really good.
Yeah.
They have this all-you-can-eat rib fest, $32 plus tax. I think all of us, what we're gonna get is something called Pitmaster Select. So it includes 2 smoked pork back ribs, tender beef brisket, and seasoned white meat chicken stripes, toasted in our mild salt.
So I will switch my side to onion rings. I haven't had onion rings for a long time, so I want those.
Me, I think I'll get the baked potato.
And this guy, of course, he's doing poutine.
Poutine.
All of us three want the Pitmasters, but we want different sides. Yeah. I guess you can draw on here.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
There you go. We're like kids, huh?
Let's see some arts.
What's that, a cat? No, that's a face, angry face. Hold on.
HGH. Alright, that's our new logo. It means inside it's our new
That was gonna look.
that's
Wow, that's like
it's Mr. Samus, the super narrow version, and the super square version.
super square version. It's like wow.
Thank you.
没有，他说就直接这上面写了，用手吃。
Proper way to eat with your finger. Even poutine. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. How am I able to eat my potato like that?
Peel it and just eat it with your finger.
So where we have, while in the background,
Rib?
is,
Rib, brisket. I think that's called. It's just chicken
strip. Yeah.
poutines, and that's cornbread.
And what did you order for your side?
I had the loaded baked potato.
Nice.
It looks really good. Like lately we've been making potatoes and
Yeah.
I love them. And you,
And,
bro?
for me, I have the onion rings.
Oh, are they good? Dip
I
it in
think
the
they're pretty
chipotle.
good, actually.
Let's try the cornbread. Mmm.
Tastes better, but I still kind of like the crispy.
Mm.
Brisket.
No worries. Thank you. What did you try already?
Brisket.
Is it good? It was better in the. Call it smoke?
Definitely.
They're good. A little bit sweet, but they're good.
This is smell?
It's spicy?
A little bit.
We'll learn.
Or
Not spicy.
No?
No.
Even you ordered the most spicy.
Try one.
Try the mild one more. Thank you.
medium, right?
Yeah. It's good. Oh. Got a little bit spicy, bro.
Really?
At the end, it kicks a little bit in. Baked potato is good. Huh?
Outback Steakhouse.
Oh, that
They have the fried onion.
Yeah.
They cut onion and it's like a flour. They fry the whole thing.
Really? That sounds good. How's the ribs?
The rib I actually like it.
Really?
Yeah.
The most important thing.
Because I tried the brisket first, right? So the rib is actually much better than I expected.
But to be honest, like I think the one thing San Luis was better.
I think I prefer this rib.
Really?
I mean, compared to the St.
San Luis?
That's really.
Let me try it. A little bit too dry for me.
This is dry as hell.
I'm not sure. It's like the Montana style or it's like the meat or something. I think like everything, like the beef, the pork,
Everything too
like
dry.
drier, yeah. Tastes good. Sauce is good.
So after this one, you need to rate your three ribs.
Mm.
We need to decide the winner.
Color is good. Smells okay. Now I ask you as holy smoke for sure because we can smell that one even from outside, right?
That was crazy. Yeah. Like we were in the parking lot.
Yeah. But don't get me wrong, it tastes good. Just there are better ones out there.
100%.
I guess like I don't like dry meat, so this is like too dry for me. And I'm the guy like I cannot eat like too juicy because there's like too many fat in it,
Yeah.
and it will make you feel greasy after you eat like a piece or two. But then if it's too dry, then I would prefer a little bit like somewhere in the middle. Well, the ribs does taste good though.
I haven't yet.
Sauce is really good. Buffalo wing, well, the tenders are okay.
Yeah. They're not bad.
Actually, like better than okay.
What do you think about the poutine?
The fries is good. The gravy is okay, but I think I need more gravy. I remember I think it's probably just these 2 years when I was still in high school. All the poutine was covered in gravy and cheese and stuff. Now every restaurant is charging extra for extra gravy.
Maybe this one doesn't. We should see, no?
Because last time in San Luis they charged
They
you, right?
charge you extra for that.
You see, if I'm eating the
Yeah. The bottom part is
yeah,
all.
I don't want it to be just fries. I want it to be covered in gravy and cheese. If one day we go to London, I'll take you guys to a restaurant called London Burger. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's all I like.
He wanted his gravy.
Yep, that was actually the first time I ordered burger in North America. That great man, he was asking me, "What do you want for your burger?" And I got no idea what to say and what to ask for. I just keep saying tomato sauce, tomato sauce, tomato sauce, and salad. In Chinese, 沙拉酱 is actually mayo, and tomato sauce, 番茄酱 is actually ketchup, right?
Yeah.
So I just asked for these two I know. But that guy is really nice. He just told me, okay, this is this. I will give you a spoon and you try each one.
Nice. In the north part of Mexico, like near the Texas, they love to eat this kind of thing, like the smoked barbecue, like that, like the ribs and everything. And they have like these festivals where you can try different types, like how they cook the ribs.
Oh, really?
If it's with the, like what we were saying before, like if they cook it with the wood, like the chip tree or what it's called, like if it's pine or if it's
wood chips.
Wood chips, or if it's like apple, I don't know what, like those kind of things.
Yeah.
It gives different flavors.
Yeah.
So basically, you can go and try all the different flavors of the ribs. Like I'm sure they will have something like that in Texas as well, right? Different food festivals,
Of course.
where you can go and actually.
Of course. Texas people don't mess with their barbecue.
Yeah. What do you think, guys?
The council. They will decide your fate.
We went to 3 different places. We went to Holy Smoke.
I do not regret giving them a 5-star.
I think I gave 4.5 to San Luis. Like the second place we went to it was San
I
Luis.
think I was 4.2.
4.2. And then Montana. So now, now that we finished the first season of eating ribs in Toronto, because it's hard to find like a place that sells you ribs. We can try to find more, but
Yeah.
I think like these were like the biggest chain.
They're famous for their ribs.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'll try to go first, so you don't feel shy. My favorite one was only for ribs. I'm not talking anything else. Only ribs. My favorite ribs, San Luis. Second, Holy Smokes. Third one, Montana's.
Okay. So ribs.
Only ribs.
This is too dry for me. So this is third place. St. Louis. And then the best one is, of course, Holy Smoke.
Okay. Mr. Seven?
Yeah, I'm also the same. I think Holy Smoke is first one for me, and St. Louis is second, and this is third.
So I need to clarify something, right? The sauce for St. Louis is not as good as here. The taste of the ribs, right? The sauce and the way they cook it.
You like it more here?
I like it more here. But I really don't like dry meat. Holy Smoke has more smoky smell. That's the part I like it. Here in St. Louis, some, but not much.
I like more the commercial flavor. Like I really like the smoky, but it's not my. Like if it's too much, it kind of like loses for me the. Like I like to have the texture, the flavor, and all that of the sauce as well, right? That's why I put it second. But in terms like if you say overall, like including the cornbread, like including the sides and all that, like definitely Holy Smokes. Is number one. So I think this comes to an end to the ribs, the ribs challenge.
So, like, to be honest, I don't think this is like a fair review, like a fair competition, because two of them are like commercial ones, and one of them is just like a
local.
like a
We
family restaurant.
can try to find. Maybe we can try find something like Holy Smokes, like
yeah, we should do that and compare it with that.
Exactly. But I think it was a good review. We will try to find another one. We might open again like something like ribs, but more like local made, like not a big brand. Commercial restaurant. And I think that's gonna be a fair review against Holy Smokes. So
yeah, we'll stay tuned. We will do that.
And coming up next is gonna be the burger challenge.
Oh shit! Here we go again.
So we're finally gonna start doing the burger challenge.
That one we're going to start with no commercial ones.
Only commercial.
Yeah, commercial ones.
I think now that we know that we should do like classify commercial and like non-commercial
Yeah,
brands, right?
yeah.
Keep tuned, and we're gonna keep doing these challenges. We are also on the. We need to work on the finding the best Chinese buffet. So and here we have to do very hard judges for the food. So that's gonna be.
Are you sure it's not the bad and worst?
Oh, that's gonna be easy for you guys. You're gonna be like, oh, sure. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching until here. Please like, subscribe, comment these videos, and until the next one.
Bye.
Stop.